one person of the CNC can operate it. Then there's going to be 4 for finishing. You could work with 2, but it's too little. You need 4 people. For sanding, you could do it with 2. One sands, one receives. Like one puts them in the robot, one gets them out of the robot and puts them in the brush sander. But then for painting, you need 2 people, because you can put them really fast in. You can grab them, they're just clean and dry. But when they come out, they're wet. You cannot really grab the piece. You have to like baby it from the robot onto the rack. And because you go so slow with it, you don't have time to. So it's 2 people receiving, 2 people sending. One person can check all the pieces, make sure that they're good to be sent to the machine, and the other one just constantly feeds the machine. And on the other side, you have 2 people constantly removing parts. And we're gonna need at least 1 for the beginning. In Montreal, we have 2 for assembling. And then design department, at least 1, ideally 4. Then installation, you need at least 2 people per crew.
So what is this thing?
So this is a pallet jack initially, and I'm gonna make out of it an adjustable height desk so that I can work with both lasers on it. I'm gonna put a PC underneath with a screen, keyboard, mouse, and everything that I have to do like engraving. Now you're gonna ask me to tell you. I want it to be a surprise. Like at the end of the job, just make a nice board, solid wood, and put some engraving on it. And we would give them to the client.
Oh, like a gift.
Exactly, yeah. Because I think we could do stuff in the future, like between the 3D printing, engraving, and the CNC cutting, we could do some like unique stuff.